Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Jerilyn Valdez from Isabela, Philippines. I'm 28 years old. I'm single. I'm college level. Way back in March 2015 to June 2019, I work as a domestic helper in Manila, Philippines. I have served 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. The kids are newborn and 6 years old. They are Chow family and they are Filipino-Chinese nationality. My second employer is in Isabela, Philippines. From September 2019 to August 2023, I have served 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. They are 5 years old and 8 years old. They are Pinto family and their nationality is a Filipino. My main duties are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, laundry, cooking, and washing the dishes. I decided to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my dreams and to support my family needs. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please do give me this chance and opportunity to work in Hong Kong. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.